This video might just be the long-awaited solution to your thumbnail problem. If you're a content creator, you shouldn't be in a hurry. If you're not, you can scroll past. As a YouTube content creator, you would agree with me that thumbnail plays a very important role towards your growth on YouTube. There are a series of tutorials and articles that keep on highlighting this one thing: thumbnail, 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 thumbnail. But the struggle of creating a nice cinematic thumbnail continues to remain a tussle. If you're starting new on YouTube, you might not have that much money to hire a graphic designer. This is where this platform comes in. It is an AI platform that does not just help you create thumbnail, but can help you copy viral thumbnail. This is crazy and mind-blowing, and they have series of templates where you can copy from and create exactly as you see it here. This is not just some random guy trying to convince you to subscribe to one platform which might not offer you the value that you expected. So you and I are going to walk through this platform together, step by step, showing you how you can create something beautiful out of this platform. And when we are done with this, you're going to be the one to decide if you want to subscribe to this platform or not. If you see it fit for you to subscribe to this platform, go to my description and you're going to find the affiliate link that's going to take you to the platform. This is your way of supporting me and helping me grow. But if you do not see any need to subscribe to this app, please just leave it be. Do not. And before we begin the practical part of this, these guys are currently giving 20 free credits to new users, and this is equivalent to 10 thumbnail generation. That's not the crazy part. The crazy part is that after launching your first thumbnail generation task, you receive an additional 10 free credits. So you have already gotten like 15 free thumbnails like for free. And this is why it is important that you watch this video to the end so that you will not waste your 15 free credits trying to see what works and what does not work. I am currently using the premium package subscription, and that gives me the leverage of trying, retrying, and trying again, which is definitely gonna help me to come up with variations of thumbnail which I'm gonna pick from. Without saying so much, let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm already logged into my premium account, and that gives me a whopping 1,610 credits. Actually, when you come here, the first thing you're gonna see tabs here: explore, create thumbnails, recreate thumbnails, templates, downloader, and all of that. The first thing you wanna go to is let's look at the templates. If you come here, you're gonna see a series of templates where you can choose from. A lot of MrBeast templates here. It depends on the niche. You can change this to gaming niche, and you'll see different templates that comes with gaming niche. This is exactly a template for memes channel. We've got sport. We've got anime, cinematic and anime, and these are templates that you can pick from. You can basically recreate everything here. You just need to replace your pictures with the pictures that we have there, and then boom, you got it. If you run a horror channel, this might be a breakthrough for you. The next one is luxury and lifestyle. This might be a game changer for you. And we got studios and creator. We have social and life, and then we have crazy and cost. I've got clients that I do work for, so I'm gonna be creating thumbnails related to what I do, probably my own personal thumbnail or thumbnail for some clients who needs my help doing that. I'm gonna be quick with this because this video is supposed to be like 7 minutes and not more. First, there are two ways this can be done. Either you create a thumbnail from scratch with text, that's you can just write a prompt where the platform is gonna analyze from and give you a thumbnail in return, or you can copy a thumbnail from YouTube, any thumbnail that you like, and you feel like you want to replicate it. You can easily replicate it here by just copying the link of the video from YouTube, and then you come here. This platform has an automatic thumbnail grabber, which is gonna grab the thumbnail automatically, and then you write in a prompt, and then it's gonna generate the thumbnail for you. But today I'm not gonna bore you with the rhetoric of creating a thumbnail with text. We're gonna move directly into copying a thumbnail from YouTube. You have to locate your thumbnail of interest, which is this one. Right click and copy the link. You head back and paste the thumbnail, and then you click grab thumbnail. Once you click grab thumbnail, it's gonna paste the thumbnail automatically into the platform. Next thing you want to do is head to Claude AI. This is where I'm gonna generate prompts that I'm gonna use there. What I'm gonna do is to paste the picture on Claude AI, bring the title of my post, describe my post and title to Claude AI, and then ask Claude AI to generate a prompt for me to use at Thumbs AI. It's gonna generate the prompt for me ASAP. All I need to do is to copy this prompt, head back to Thumbs AI, and then paste. We don't need any templates right now, so we're gonna just get past here and go to where it says add your face. Why this is needed is that we just want to replace the picture there to our picture. You're gonna upload your picture here, give it some minute to load, and then you click on optimize. You can actually change your facial expression to whatever you want here: shocked, hype, angry, scream, sad, or whatever you want to change to. But right now we don't want to do that. We just want to head straight to with what we have. Click on save and use this face. Once you do that, it's going to bring us back to where we were before, and then we have successfully selected the face we want to use. Then the next thing we want to do is to head down and click generate. It's going to cost you 2 credits to generate one thumbnail. Once we do that, it's gonna bring us here where it's gonna load a little bit, and then boom, we have our thumbnail. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate to give you variations where you can pick from. If you're not still convinced or you don't still like what you're getting, so as you can see here, the rating on our thumbnail is very low, so we're gonna try something more crazy. I'm gonna come back here, upload my image, and then change the prompt to something else, and then generate. Boom. Sorry, I think I forgot to add my title, so I'm gonna go back and input my title there. So title, and then we try again, then boom, we have something amazing. Remember the regenerate button. If you don't like the way the text are aligned, you can just regenerate, so that it's gonna give you variations of the thumbnail. So I just hit on regenerate, and it gives me a different arrangement of the text and a different facial expression or action from what I had before. So you can pick from either of these which one you are comfortable with. So we can try this on more thumbnail. Remember how we do it: to upload an image. This works best for me. Then put in the prompt and then allow it to analyze. It gives me the thumbnail. I had to fact check, and I realized that the two Chelsea players are not currently playing for Chelsea anymore. I'm gonna go to Google and search for popular Chelsea players and popular Barcelona players. I'm just gonna pick their names and then replace it with what we had already, and then we successfully create thumbnails that have faces of people known to our viewers. Another thing I want to show you briefly before we call it a day is how to change the facial expression. The first thing you want to do is go to the tab where it says face and emotions. When you get there, it's going to bring you here to upload a photo. Once your photo is done uploading, and then you click on optimize as usual. I probably choose the photo that has the face down because I really wanted to see how intelligent this platform is. After you've done optimizing, select the emotion that you want to generate. In my case, I'm going to choose disgusted. Head on and click generate. It's gonna boom. This is crazy. So you want to save what you've done, easy peasy. Get down there, you see where it says save and use this face, and then you automatically save your facial expression. We want to try this again. We're going to try the next one. So this time around, I'm going to use the shocked face, can generate as usual, 2 credits, and then boom. I really like this, and I tried generating even more thumbnails, and it was an amazing experience. If you enjoyed what you see here, you want to integrate it to your workflow, this is your chance. Head to my description box right now, subscribe to this app. If you have any problem, reach out to me. I'm always ready to help you with prompts that's going to help you generate those amazing thumbnails. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and peace out for now.